Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to be a brief review of 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. 58 times 37 is our first example problem, and I'm going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So I want you to think of these type of problems as two separate 1-digit problems where we regroup if our product is 10 or more. So we are going to start in the ones place, simply by multiplying 8 times 7. 8 times 7 equals 56. Now because our product is more than 10, we have to regroup. So the 6 and 56 goes in the ones place, the 5 and 56 gets carried over to the tens place. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button, really helps the algorithm. Next, we're going to multiply 5 times 7, and then we're going to add the 5 that is carried over. 5 times 7 equals 35, plus 5 equals 40. So you're going to write the 40 in. So far, we have multiplied 58 times 7. Next, we have to multiply the top two digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Now, since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied, we're going to put a 0 in the ones place. Now, 8 times 3 equals 24. Again, our product's more than 10, so we're going to regroup. The 4 and 24 is going to go in the tens place. The 2 is getting carried over to the hundreds place. 5 times 3, we're going to multiply that next. Then we have to add the 2 that we carried over. 5 times 3 equals 15, plus 2 equals 17. Now, the final step is we have to add these two numbers together. So starting in the ones place, 6 plus 0 equals 6. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 4 plus 7 equals 11. 1, carry the 1. And 1 plus 1 equals 2. And we have our final answer. 58 times 37 equals 2,146. We are now moving on to our next example. Next example problem. 39 times 64. So we're going to start out by multiplying the two digits in the ones place. We're going to multiply 9 times 4. 9 times 4 equals 36. Again, our product is more than 10, so we will need to regroup. So the 6 and 36 goes in the ones place. The 3 gets carried over to the tens place. Next, we're going to multiply 3 times 4, and we have to add the 3 that we carried over to our answer. 3 times 4 equals 12. 12 plus 3 equals 15. Next, we're going to multiply the top two digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Now, since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied, we're putting a 0 in the ones place. 9 times 6 equals 54. So the 4 and 54 goes in the tens place. The 5 gets carried over to the 100s place. 3 times 6 equals 18, and we have to add the 5 that we carried over. 18 plus 5 equals 23. All right, final step is we have to add these two numbers together to get our final answer. So 6 plus 0 equals 6. 5 plus 4 equals 9. 1 plus 3 equals 4. And 0 plus 2 equals 2. And we have our final answer. 39 times 64 equals 2,496. All right, I'm gonna take a quick screenshot and then move on to the next problem. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button, helps the algorithm. I appreciate y'all being here. All right, next problem. 98 times 29. So again, we're starting out in the ones place. 8 times 9. We're going to multiply 8 times 9 to start. 8 times 9 equals 72. Because our product is more than 10, we do need to regroup. So the 2 in 72 goes in the ones place. Then the 7, we have to carry that over to the tens place. Next, we're multiplying 9 times 9. And then we have to add the 7 that we carried over to our answer. So 9 times 9 equals 81. 81 plus 7 equals 88. So far we've multiplied 98 times 9. The next step is we have to multiply the two top digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. Now since both digits in the ones place have already been multiplied, we are putting a 0 in the ones place. Eight times 2 equals 16. 6 carry the 1. 9 times 2 equals 18. Plus 1 equals 19. Now for the final step, we have to add these two numbers together to get our final answer. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 8 plus 6 equals 14. 4 carry the 1. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Plus 9 equals 18. 8 carry the 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. And we have our final answer. 98 times 29 equals 2,842. All right, now we are going to come up with one more example problem. This will probably be the final example of the video. All right, we are going to multiply 72 times 48. All right, starting out in the ones place, 2 times 8 equals 16. 6 carry the 1. 7 times 8 equals 56, plus 1 equals 57. Next, we are multiplying the top two digits times the bottom digit in the tens place. We're going to put a 0 in the ones place since both numbers in the ones place have already been multiplied. 2 times 4 equals 8. We do not need to regroup here because our product is less than 10. We only regroup when our product is 10 or more. 7 times 4 equals 28. Next, we have to add these two numbers together to get our final answer. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 7 plus 8 equals 15. 5 carry the 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Plus 8 equals 14. 4 carry the 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. And we have our final answer, 3,456. 72 times 48 equals 3,456. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.